great good morning to ever conscious and all people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze Osaweno Wode. This is a beautiful morning that the Lord has made, and I think we all need to be glad because we are not the best human being on earth, neither are we the most expensive personality on earth. But for you to say this morning, it is at the mercy of our ubiquitous God. And I strongly believe that it is our collective resolve and responsibility to recognize the fact that the only reason why we woke up successfully is as a result of the magnanimity of the Most High God, Jehovah. So whichever way we think, we must first of all start by acknowledging Him. Tiffany, good morning to you. Thank you very much for watching my video this morning. In fact, that shoe you buy for me 2017 now we are so. Thank you very much. Emmanuel El Saigbogun, I salute you with all sense of alacrity. Not very I know if you meet up for the birthday activities, now one or two, but whichever way I wish you happy birthday. Sammy, the only man where they call me a betu. I salute you. I greet you all this great morning. Please forgive me if I'm not being able to mention your name. It's as the result of the limitation of human memory, and because of the fact that we don't want to take much of your time, certainly we want to go directly to the point. So the accolade and encomium and the salutation are designed for some members who are watching me here right now is just orchestrated to set the ball rolling. Set the ball rolling. But first, the focal point of our discussion this morning still remains: election not be war. Election not reach to create enmity between human beings. All we need to understand in politics is interest first. And these interests are two. When it is individual interest, it becomes egocentrism. But when it becomes collective interest, it becomes developmental agenda. And as at today in Edo State, we have two divided groups in the state. Now, in all of this, any person or group of person who is playing politics and begin to consider those in the other divide as his or her enemy, because you cannot be friend to everybody. That is the truth. You can never be a friend to everybody. But let's take an example. You are a friend to, in fact, let me code switch. You be friend to Mr. Matthew. Mr. Matthew is above 18 years. Mr. Matthew is above 18 years. And you is above 18 years. Now, you and Matthew, they close before now start politics. Then when political matter can start, you can get your personal orientation. Mr. Matthew self getting personal orientation and is above 18 years. You cannot compare Mr. Matthew to be with you. Everybody cannot be with you. That was why I made this post, the first post this morning. Everybody cannot be in the same shoe. Everybody cannot like the same shoe as well. Some persons might choose to like Prada. Some might like Givenchy. But whichever way, every individual have the right to their opinion. Now in politics, why you reserve the right to defend what you believe in totality? The other have a right to defend what he or she believes in totality. Why doing that? It should not be considered as war or enmity that can tear you apart. Let me give a classical example. In a family of 5, the father might be a member of ABGA, the son member of APC, the daughter member of PDP. Will you not say because of the fact that they are different political divide, that family should tear apart? Or must you say, because I am the man, the whole of my family must be in line with my political party? It doesn't work that way. You cannot compel anybody to be part of you. You can only convince and negotiate. That is the game of politics. You know, right now as we speak, some of us takes this politics as if when you are not with us during the elections, we should not greet ourselves. Whereas the politician that you and I is campaigning for, working for invite themselves to different birthdays. They visit each other. They knew quite well that politics is no enmity. There are stages you get to in life in terms of resource competencies. You will understand the fact that politics is not enough to create enmity. Now, let's liken it to our state, Edo State. Why there was big political fight in the state? We did all we could to crush what we considered as a then a political enemy of the people. After crushing them politically, when the governor was receiving his certificate of return, he said something. I was there. I videoed the governor live. He said, and I quote, "The fight is over. It is now time for us all to work together." You will not expect the governor to go and meet them in their houses to say, "Lago, will come and work with me." No. But he has already established the olive palm. Some persons might, because of egotism, choose not to assist or not to be part of it. But already the government has been able to lay out a template for everyone to strive. So what am I trying to buttress? It's very explicit. There is no way you can see a friend of yours, or because of political affiliation, because you're not there your own party, you say you want to cut that friendship. If you do that, you are not matured enough to play politics. If you do that, believe you me, you are not yet matured enough to play politics. Politics is not war. Aguye campaign, when election is over, those who emerge, let's take an example. I am a strong member, absolute member of the People's Democratic Party. I am in strong support of His Excellency Governor Godwin Oyegase Obaseki. Now, let's take an example. If there are media onslaughts or any onslaught that I believe that I have the capacity to counter, and it is orchestrated against the governor, I will come out immediately to counter it. But while countering that, I should not be countering it as if, don't worry, if you if we begin to do that, that is lack of maturity. That is why when you see me discussing politics, I only discuss about the core principal actors. No matter what the followers do, I will refuse to mention their name. Highest, you will hear me say, some of us. I will not remove myself. I will say some of us, even if I am not part and parcel of such agenda. But certainly, I will say some of us are acting like this. Some of us are acting like that. Because I will not want to target an individual who is not running for the elections, who is just doing what I am doing. And I strongly believe that it ought to be a natural phenomenon. And I strongly believe that it ought to be a natural phenomenon. Politics is no war. Enmity, no day. No enmity at all. No enmity. Now, I have a friend, for an example. This friend has been my friend right from history. I'll come say, no, I know hail him again. He not be my friend again because he did another party. No, no. No. But if that same my friend come out, if that same my friend come out today, say, Obaseki did this, Obaseki did that, I will come out immediately and say, my friend, it's a lie. My friend, it's a lie. My friend, it's a lie. How will you say he did this? This is what happened. This is what happened. I will defend. But I will not come back later to say, no, you'll see, if you cannot greet me again, you know you'll be friend again. You're there, you're late. No. That is lack of enlightenment. Yes, if you wish. We've already wronged the movement. This one we will do so they're impatient. Open. But then never tell the break now. You might say that how many goes. Anarchy. Mommy. Mommy. Anarchy. Hey, I was here. Oh. Yeah, we do. Okay, let me just.
Follow me. We want to have metro.
Sorry. Now, what I'm saying in a nutshell is, no matter what you do, I want to revise. In fact, we are in a go slow, and I made a very big mistake, so I have to address the situation. Sorry. So, as I was saying, we cannot, because of that, to begin to declare ourselves enemy. Now, let me give a classical example. And again, if you not take time, you will end up becoming an enemy to everybody. Yes. We do not need to hate ourselves for political reasons. We do not need it. We do not need it. No problem. I'm following the situation. We do not need it. We must be able to distinguish ourselves from the crowd. That is why we are enlightened. And again, I've said something before. If you don't want insult on social media, if you don't want attack on social media, and you cannot tolerate attack or insult, don't do Facebook. Don't come out on a live video. Because when you are out on a live video to say something, that thing must not go down well with everybody. There is no way. In fact, even if everybody likes you and they hail you, know that you are having a problem already. You must be insulted. Why some will say, Nama you be. And again, if there are no opposition in democracy, there is no need for democratic existence. If there are no opposition in democracy, there is no need for democratic existence. It should be considered as a despotic or a military dispensation. Now, in democracy, the beauty of democracy. I want to come through side streets. No, we're not going to zoom with this. The beauty of democracy is opposition, and when there are opposition, it gives you political engagement. It gives you room for political engagement. If there are no opposition, there will not be Osakwinokwodo in politics. How? You are of no use, because everything where government you do now go your right. Then which work you want to do again? Because nobody will criticize. So when people criticizes the government, it gives you the ample opportunity to do what is right at a particular time. So that is why we believe that a system, they say, is the collection of facts or events that can be seen as a single whole thing due to the interdependence and interactions of those parts or events. Now let's take an example. The reason why I started this definition is that you need to know that you cannot do it alone. You cannot. None of us, Osakwinokwodo, cannot do it alone. Let's take an example. This is Osakwinokwodo. I have my head, I have my hands, I have my body, I have my legs. If I have no head, God forbid, there is no way the other subsystem can function. Even if I have head, I have leg, I have body, and my hand is deficient, there is no way it can function properly as a system. So the subsystem comes together to form Osakwinokwodo. That is the way democratic system is. So when the opposition acts, it gives you room for engagement. And when there are no engagement, you have no use. What do you want to do when we say everything they do right? As of today, this morning, what do you want to talk for video? When it clears, everybody they say, oh winner, oh winner, oh winner. Everybody cannot see a winner. Even Even if everybody knew that he's doing what is right, the opposition goal is to ensure that they demarket the administration so that their own will come into power. And it is our responsibility to resist them vehemently and not to give them the opportunity to demarket what we all fought for. But that is not enough reason for us to say, Wawami would there, I will be. No. Wawami would there, I will be. No. You must greet, you must play. In fact, in my zone during the elections, people tire. I said, you see POL, they reach like 6. Me, I'll do with my Obaseki cap. All of us decide one place they drink beer. They eat together. As we all take there, so everybody with the view. And also forget my own, we cannot come and come and say, just stay your own. Just stay your own. No, I go your campaign, I go your campaign. Let any man or woman deceive you. No quarrel, no war for campaign. I can't take calls now. Please, I'm on my way already. I go your campaign.
Mashuka banana, as I don't get you, we pass me kahama. Me I know the way to make you come follow me, make we pass.
I go your campaign. It's all about talk your own, make I talk my own. Excuse me. Hello. Good morning. I do. Lala. Everywhere go. Where you dey? Okay, me I dey go job. Uru never come. They tell me saying go enter. Which time they want to move now? I just get like 2 work to do, so I want just do them, then submit some certain for I want just do the surveys, then submit some certain things on CFO office. I'll meet up. I'll meet up. No, even CFO office, they're not even work today. No work today, I forget. I'll holler you now. No work. Correct. Before we call, he made a move without saying no, with all the Zuzu. Now my I come. No war. Yeah. Okay. This is a friend of mine. He just called me. We want to roll together today. He just called me and to remind me that a friend of mine who lost his father, they are bringing out the person today, his father's corpse today. This man is an APC man. He's an APC man. We bone each other. We bone each other. I will not be joke. Everybody there you first because we know now me start that boning because I don't want to make we come sit down, come go get what he go give me and them enmity. So the best thing when we all say hey, which way, everybody talk about that, but the election is over. We are all one. That is the point I'm trying to raise. That is the point I am trying to raise. Let's try as much as possible to walk in unison. Let's try as possible to walk in love. Now, as far as politics is concerned, don't get me wrong. When anybody attack your interest and the public interest, come out immediately to resist. Where necessary, give an attack. But while you are giving a counter attack, not they give the counter attack like say after that place now when you see for you see the throw face like so now be enemy. That is where the issue is. After the social media activities, una feel safe for ground, una go eat, una go drink, una go enjoy together, una go laugh, una go laugh. Eh, it take whether it finish well, where it go over media. Me, I know the get enemy. Some people they will be say when we do social media affiliate, they don't do the way me tell lash them, the way they tell lash me. The video see me for the one they form the reverse. Now me better say, na damn matter the reason for social media. Some self the verse for people where they never see before for grand. I will very on here. Person you never see before for grand. Because Facebook who are away. I will very. I can't a comment this morning. I made a post and I can't a comment. The person said, you are a stomach infrastructure. You are fighting for yourself. And I replied it. And that is what you always brother. I said, my brother, this your own. Don't pass politics. This your own. Don't enter jealousy. But even if I say, I want to kill myself to make Edo great, he go still say, you are a stomach. If I say, I want to eat all Edo money, he go say, you are a stomach. Nothing when I go do, way good for where this boy did. Not land say, my brother, you are no longer playing politics. You don't start, not jealousy, you did now. Not jealousy, now you did now. You don't play politics again. Politics no reach to bring in enmity. Or they say, so if you don't take them beyond what is supposed to be, the enemy you can't do. Why am I coming out today to say this? Is this? I want to prepare the heart and mind of everybody. If you be the type where they play politics and you believe say every other people are your enemy, it's very good for you, but not drag me to run. Not drag me into it. This is a message to everybody. I not get any enemy. I not get any enemy. I stand as I did. No. If you can't, if you attack Obaseki wrongly and I know so you attack not be real, I will come out to attack you immediately. But I will not say when I see you for road, me and you not come be friend again. God forbid. Say if I call you for maybe you call me and I say, Osakwe no kwode. Because sometimes when they go for street people say, Osakwe no kwode, but to support on us, you know, not people Osakwe no kwode. Hey, my brother, I greet you. I hear you. Say because say we not condemn the same political divide. I can say no. If you are having an enemy with people, it is good. Have it with them. Have it with them. But I don't want to be dragged into enmity with anybody. Election is over. When government win election, the governor of Edo State today we have fought for him. But as we speak, we fought for him. Not me saying that we get the governor. Not me saying that we get the governor. The government is a PDP-led government of Edo State. That is to say, but Gorishi say Yabu now Obaseki be governor. Oshomole now Obaseki be governor. He is the governor of all Edo people. And all Edo people own him. And he own all Edo people. Now when we want to discuss party politics, now we tell them, wait. We want to discuss party politics. When we want to discuss Edo matter, they have the right to be part of it. Always in this part of our country, when government say we are inviting people to come for a town hall meeting, they don't want to come because they'll say they'll be opposition. No! You should be there. And because government need your input to be able to succeed. You should be there. Not do and say, my party and you. When they see you say you're the one of your friend's house, they'll say, you have the company now war. Now war. I made this same video. I make them as comments a post this morning. Somebody come tell me say, at times, comrade, you normally deviate from what you say. We know you will try your best, but you deviate. I hear reply as simple. I said that is because I am not perfect. That is because I am not perfect. I might not be able to do all what I say, but I try my possible best to do it. Ask anybody where don't get direct contact with me on social media and on ground. If you not see me, I will call you. Would that change the narrative? No. When Governor Obaseki created World Development Committees, I was not supporting him. I did my house where they call me, put my name as an activist. Because that World Development Committee comprises activists, PDP, APC, audio way of every local communities and some other traders. I know they support governor. They come in and say, activist Larry, your name is supported. PDP people, they put their name. Now be World Development Committee. If your governor have the idea to bring everybody together, we should assist him in bringing everybody together. Because if there is no peace in the states, there is no way the governor can succeed. That's the truth. So I've read his body language as a governor, and I need to work in line with his body language so that may not look like, say, in the process when we go think, say, I the defender, I'll create enmity for him. I'll create problem for him. I don't want to use my own activity to go create problem for the governor. I don't want to use my own personal activity to create problem for the governor. As we speak, I know you just come out for Facebook, you just say, hey, now let me tell you, everybody not be the same. Somebody make one comment and say, Stanley, you thank God say APC no win, therefore don't fuck you up, believe me or not. That is the truth. That is the truth. Me myself, it was say APC win this election. I for not get those states, I for don't move. I not tell you that. I not go deceive you. It was say APC no win this election. Sorry, it was say PDP no win this election, say the APC win. By this kind of time, it's either America, Canada, or Europe. I for don't do there. Because they for finish me. Me, I know. But the truth of the matter is simple. All of us not be the same. Hello, mama. You real live video. I must young winner. I must young winner. You got a call. Say man a pig. Yeah, true. You call it back. I know you are calling me for that assignment you give to me. Okay, mama. All right. What's it? So, as I was saying, I know, say they go do that one. But whether they do that one, they don't do that one, not me say we. Because we tell the whole world say we'll be progressive. We want to change the old order and bring a new narrative. We on our own not go behave like them. We will not behave like them. But when they come out now today, they say, we know, at least our own now to they monitor the activities of the opposition intelligently. When they want to come out, like what happened last now for this palliative issue, we don't really know, say, EPM not come out directly, come talk. They pretend, like say they not get harm. Whereas they found out. We come out go Zolo, they come out where they say, my well Latian, and we give them. The sense we catch them for that and then shocking. Now so it be. After that, not me say EPM, the alphabet, the individuals. They don't me say we see individuals for row because a bone, hey, toy. We don't work here. No, that's the issue we are talking about. I want to say this clearly, please. If anybody, if anybody wants to attack Albert Obaze, don't attack him on my wall, please. Please, do not attack him on my wall. You can go and meet him there in his wall to attack him. Don't drag anybody. I'm not talking to an individual here. Don't drag any other person into my video, please. This is a general discussion. Do not drag Albert Obaze into my video. Albert Obaze is a matured man of himself. He should be able to take responsibility for his action and not under my wall. If you wanna get any issue, you go block him. You know the one for there. Me or the look. Not drag him. come inside my own. As I did here, so I'm not ready to follow anybody do social media war. Now 2 things that they do for social media now. One, while Mumwine survey many who do lobo where apply CFO. Now get CFO, now get land. Now get CFO, now get land. If you like, you get land. The land there, you not get CFO, not be your land. It can still be taken from. Even if you say you fence and put gate, some of you go put foundation inside. You go drag out with you, you go win. For as long as you're doing in that community or the no gate, that community say, oh man, no you foundation, you wear Mariana, you don't lose. But when you have a CFO, when they say, oh man, no you foundation, Mariana, don't say, oh, this is the CFO, go on nyato, they'll drive the other one. So now who gets CFO? Now I get land. Now who gets CFO? So now that one be my business. If you want to discuss about CFO, follow me talking. If you want to talk about survey, follow me talking. But not bring social media onslaught between me and anybody. Because if I'm discussing now, you are relating about Obaze, it will look as if I am discussing about it. Whereas I have studied the body language of the governor, he doesn't want enmity. The governor is for all Edo people. The governor did not send Usakuno Hodi to go and be fighting ABC for him. The governor did not send us to create problem. The governor, in fact, I still tell you this one today, governor not send me say my help and talk on social media. That is why anything I say, na my own, now I talk, and in line with the truth and what I observe. Governor did not commission me, say, comrade, go to the social media, whenever anybody attack me, attack them back. This is your salary per month. He not do. He not there. They tell you so. I was with somebody yesterday, client when I carry go do survey for a site. I told her, I said to use MB till they talk like this for social media for Nigeria is difficult. I tell them openly, say, I get people where they phone my MB. Not the governor, they phone my MB. I get people where they say, they say they're not doing that thing what they do for this matter. Apart from, they don't tell me, say, and they're not even call me again. As more job end, I just see 30,000. So I'll see 20,000. So if I talk for video, I can talk anytime. Now then they phone them. No be governor. Governor not send me, say make I create problem for them. Governor not send me like that. But we not go fit sit and watch. Say things they spoil. We'll just keep quiet. When we know say na evil plan. I dey do something for Facebook. They see your quiet, they come with they go slow. It's here when they ban a man. Second number, we were go slow na madi. All right. Mudia Ibani. Me why you reku by in here? Blog. So, governor not send me to create unnecessary problems. What we are discussing on social media is our opinion and we know what is going on. We play part of the politics. But governor have never called me one day, say, comrades, come, go and attack Oshomole. Go and attack Izeyamu or Magie video. If I attack Oshomole, I attack Izeyamu. I did on my own. The governor did not send me to attack anybody. So I've read his body language and I know that this governor is ready to work with all Edo people. I already know. So on my part, I should be able to give him exactly what he wants. He doesn't want division. He doesn't want anti-development forces in the states. All he wants is progressive development. Is progressive development. We all we run this thing with our personal conviction and passion. And I still tell all of you and say, I don't tell you lie. I said they're not a fund meal. I don't tell you again the source of my funding. I know the other I don't tell you say I too get money, so I will not want too rich. Oh, till today, if you buy as rich as Igbenedion, if you buy card of 200,000 naira, say happy birthday to you, go receive one. You go receive one, say happy birthday to you. We save from the card. Talk of just small Sakunokodi, we never reach anywhere. Small me. So I know we can't tell you say they're not they fund me. No, I'm being funded, but not the government. They fund me. Go reach the bottom of that video. Now people they buy them. I know tell you say because I too rich. Now I tell they now make me they feel they do everything and I lie. And the joy, the love when they get from Edo people it's too much. Not be everybody they not be not for pay to call you say comrade, you know what come talk back. Yeah, you might tell me when I will see of over. You might tell me when I will is of him, but when we are Tana, Yawa, now, comrade, please, I will need my ear, my winner, no, as a compensation, we'll get it. Why have been a no winner? Is that not something? Must it dash your money at all time? Is that not something? So, if me they get this goodwill, you don't expect me to use my own hand to destroy my goodwill through proudness. Say that's why I did. In my day, I not do. I did see. I not day. Say they say, now me, now lie you no left food for me. Give me work. Give me work. Give me work. I not day. No, I not tell you say you are not helping me. You are only helping others. Now lie you. You are helping me. You are helping me. Because I know tell you say after the work I know get at least 30, 20,000, 10,000 from the eat. Okay, if not like 3 work in a day you get out like that. My brother, which other thing with it? Remember you be fresh, you say. Remember fresh, you say. Now people make them. Now people make them. Now people make them. The goodwill is coming from all tributaries. Yesterday night my brother called me a Boston. Say, comrade, on one Sunday we give my that was yesterday. I was busy, we not film it. As those were not good, we are going to come out publicly to thank that person. When me I don't see, who thank him? So I will not come out here in a day. Even see of office in the shop for see of go full everywhere. Now let me they do see of. So if people think say make them give me. And they do and then tomorrow when people come here I can say hello, not call me, I beg. Now lie, you call me. If I not fit pick, I will not say I not fit pick. And if I pick, I will apologize to you. And I will try to pick. If I not pick, no say the situation is very, very difficult for me at that time. So I know tell you like I am not a perfect person. Get it clearly. I am not a perfect person. Me myself, my own day, my body, I dey fuck up too. I dey fail sometimes. It is the truth. I dey fuck up sometimes. But I know willingly fuck up. I know you carry fuck up. I do see this opportunity, so sorry to say, I will jealously protect it. I tell you now from the beginning, for those who follow me, I say, I have repented and I have changed. I really know, I know let her end. I have repented and I have changed. I know let her end. I know say man, not me. So now, do you know that both those who contest with us and those who not contest with us, they give me work. They give me work.
They all claim to winners.
As we speak, all of us, I consider them as one. They pray to God every morning. Why some people say, Father, in the name of Jesus, give me money, give me money. I know they pray for money. By the power of God Almighty, I will feel also money by myself. But I pray to God, may God give me the ability to manage this goodwill. We need management. If not, the same person will like you today, if he hate you tomorrow. And the person who can hate you, now your character go make him hate you. Nobody will just wake up to hate you. When you don't see and say you did misbehave, the way Fete like you before, you are not deviating. He go start to hate you. That is why even if excuse me, even if I fuck up, I try as much as possible to apologize. That is why it is difficult for me for you to hear say the last time I ever engaged in a physical fight was in 2008. Eh? Physical fight, not be Facebook.
Okay.
Was in 2008. And before that 2008, my last physical fight was in 2004. And what it caused that 2008? No, sorry. 2011, yeah. During my youth service days, I can't go. I was actually posted to Kano State to serve. As at then, there was post-election crisis, and I have to redeploy to Rivers State. On getting to Rivers State, as I reached the house, NYC Transit Camp Eribe in Rivers State, in Eribe, Obigbo specifically. The house coppers full on. As I come, and those people, all of them get money. All of the whole these couple of Igbo people, in the evening, all of them, now they don't cook. Now GT, they go to buy their food. Me na of your go. Me no get money. No level. If me they come out for house, they go River State. I know if he buy something for River State market because I'm hungry, I will buy food stuff and everything put for bag. Like when they go school again, I will carry them. As I reach there, when the whole of them they go to go to buy food, him will pot till I live here. I will cook. So I cook for me, I will eat. So you get one boy for the lodge. When if they come, everybody, it was our CLO then for there. Our CLO there. Everybody said, say, hey, job baba, hey, job baba, hey, job baba, hey, job baba. Me you come. Me cause they say the man, I say they come because they say, hey, job baba, hey, job baba. Me cause they join them because now what they do for time? They say now where. Now what they do for time? Now you do for time. You cannot come say now you want your call change overnight. Now join the city say, hey, job baba, hey, job baba, hey, job baba, hey, job baba. Me not come no say that. Ejobaba, na fear. Then they fear them. But my own are hailing because they see the hailing like that. On a very good day, we call a discourse for where they call Otegodu. What do they call Otegodu for me? In Benin, they call it Azaba. What do they call it now? With the back where people they gather for the house get this thing. We reach about, sorry if I don't remember, we reach about 50 coppers that day for that place. Argument could start. We they discuss about Muammar Gaddafi. So I was a pro Gaddafi. We have 2 lawyers, 3 lawyers, Nathaniel, one Taye, and they reach about 6 lawyers against me. So we arguing. As this edge of the coin, because the edge of baba. Because they say edge of baba. In me don't know say in the verse say the argument when they argue, those people know your fee break me like that. This person only me and 6 of them. In your come where they push me, he said leave the road. She said leave the road. I say edge of baba. I beg now, no they push me like that. I don't like how you just push me like that. The next thing when they see, You don't they shout. Everybody where they're going to see, they fear. They're going to say, hey, you John, why you're going to follow this one again? Because the edges have been make noise. Cut it out, thank you. Tell go to cut it out, thank you. Just not going to say, ah. I can't look the face of everybody there because I don't want me anybody talk say I guilty when it don't happen. Because they're not the fact when I see. The next thing where they hear this boy you tap me again. And he get one gold when me wear for neck that time. That gold, people they look the gold as chain. They don't say the investment because I plan to sell them later. I manage buy them to save my money because that time I don't even get back account. Where I'm up see the money where I want to put for account. So I buy the gold put for neck with the hope that when I need money, I'll still sell the gold back. But I go to appreciate. Now I quickly fair put the gold. Near your fear your room. Or fear it does spoil. The money no even if they will still sell as gold. But they'll say it don't cut now. I mean not get money for Goldsmith. Now I could pull and now give one of the barristers say, hold on, now I put my wristwatch now and give him. I continue my discussion, I not go meet him. But I tell the guys if you touch me again, you will see. It really you can't touch me. My brother, my brother, I might leave the remaining story. But at the end of the day, everybody waited the Lord's quality. We're very fearing. They stop to the fearing. They stop to the fearing. I confront them because I hate oppression. That was the last time I engaged in a physical fight with anybody. I don't fight. The time don't pass fighting level. This time you use your brain and wisdom to follow people. I do not want any conflicting situation at all. I don't hate anybody. I am a businessman. If you not patronize me, no level for me. If you not patronize me, no level for me. And I cannot come out here to say you are not helping me. Now lie you. You are helping me. You are helping me. For you to give me your job, you are helping me. So, I owe you respect. I owe you loyalty. But, when the governor is being countered, and we know that what the governor is doing is right, sorry to say, we will not allow your propaganda. It's our right. That is a responsibility of a party man. But why countering? Why hitting hard on the other divide? It should not be enemy basis. Or they say PM do something for an example. You just come out and you say because you the verse for Matthew. You say Matthew, and you instead of you to say the EPMs, you are not singling out Matthew because of your personal hatred. No. So this one are the message where I want to pass this morning. I not say make people no hate themselves. I not say make them no hate themselves. Hate them. Una fi hate yourselves. I not say una not hate yourselves, but I don't want to be dragged into it. And I will not tolerate a situation where because they tell you maybe you hate one other person, you can't drag the person, can't insult him for my war. No. If you want to insult him, go and meet him. He has the right to defend himself. But don't come to my war to create problem, because I know that those in the other divide will not allow peace to reign. They will still do everything humanly possible to disintegrate us. But on our part, we will not allow it. Let's work in unison. The governor is Edo State governor, not Osahwino holding governor. it is your responsibility to ensure that Edo becomes a better place. That's why I'm having issue with some of those in the other divide. You mustn't be a governor before you can impart on your state. I have contested 3 elections. 1 in school. Sorry, 2 in school. 4 elections. I won 3. And I was compensated with the last one. I know what politics is. I did election in school, ask. I contested elections, re-election. School election self or past governorship election. Not be say for those who really go school. School election or past governorship election. Because you are campaigning to intelligent people like you. Not be daft you have to say, you won and they just say yes, and you're getting wow. No. You are campaigning to intelligent people like you. When you lie, they'll tell you so uguta. When you talk to those same time, because they are enlightened. I've contested the election and I won. So this is my point this morning. Do not expect perfect to Sarkozy. I am not perfect. I have my own shortcomings. At times, me self the fail. At times, me self they go off key. And it must be like that because me not be Jesus. Now let Jesus. Then no go off key. Even one day, self God, Jesus Christ verse is scatter table, scatter everywhere. Say, why are you turning my father's house into a business? That I verse. Talk of me human being. We know you're rich, no level. No level. No level. So this is the message this morning. For those who requested to have my number, strictly business. Not call me, come and tell me, say, the way that boy out there they behave, no. All of us are above 18. If you want to call them directly and tell them what you want to tell them. Don't call us according to call them. Call them. And if you want to warn me as Usakunokodi based on my fuck up, call me directly. Don't call on that person to call me. Tell me so Usakunokodi we were misbehaving. If I see sense do with you, then I'll apologize. If sense there. If sense not there, I no agree. Or then you say no, not be so. But if it did, I will apologize. I will apologize immediately. So for those who requested my number, strictly business, CFO, Mume, Imigo. Because if you watch my CFO, I know they bill anybody money. I don't have to come before. Siam, see, government is watching this video, they will know if I'm deceiving the world. So CFO is 50,000. Development, otherwise known as tax clearance, is 100,000 for a dose in the diaspora. But for a dose here, to do a tax clearance, so that I reach 400,000, 300,000 for tax clearance. For a dose with they do, because it's not easy. That was why the government, because government believes people with the diaspora don't pay tax on their country where they do. So to avoid multiple taxation, the government say pay development of 100,000. Now, people, when you bring money to me, you bring in 150,000. I will tell you, say put 10,000 naira on top for running costs. When I'm done, I not go bill you. You go by yourself, give me what you want, give me. Now what I tell everybody. Now only survey, I get the right to tell you say CIB, and I not go bill you. I not go tell you say I want to do survey. I'll do one thing about you like that. 80% of surveyors, they're not the lodge jam. So not the lodge jam. You know, but you carry the document, they go. Many not the lodge jam. Sorry for using 80%. Many not the lodge jam, but they'll collect money from you. You go, you carry your survey, they go, but it's unlodged. I cannot take money from you by telling you that I want to lodge it, and at the end I know lodge and I not go do one. I just say this is my business. I don't want to use selfishness on my part to spoil them. I want to guide it jealously. I want to guide it jealously. I cannot have this opportunity for my business and destroy it myself. I've been doing it right from day one. But the patronage now is different from the patronage in the past. So I must salute those who are patronizing me. I don't want to destroy it with my hands. Please, and please, I don't want to destroy it. So I will always ensure that I do what is right to protect this business at all costs. I know collect your money, not do what you send me. No, I don't tell you say survey is 2 naira. I will tell you say this is the 2 type. Now you can't choose. You not choose by yourself. Say see the one where I fit do. But I'm not gonna tell you say I know collect money for the main one. I'll go give you the other one. I can't do it. I will tell you the both you choose, and you be the judge in line with what you want. So for those who request my number, my WhatsApp number, you can still call it directly. TMA 070 3610 9939. I repeat, 70 3610 9939. 070 3610 9939. The other one is 080 79 74 21 72. I repeat, 080 79 74 21 72. You can reach me. Now guess you of who? Nigeland. No say Dotoni. Dotoni mercy of who? My Dotoni. Because it can still be taken from you. I have so many cases now on ground when they pursue for my clients because they bought land 4 years. That's the same way they come back now. They don't dig foundation put. But the people who dig foundation put, not be everything I go talk. We know how to, might not go. Cause I don't know the watch me now. If it makes some, go could take some actions women want to take against them. So let me just leave it at that. So this is the message this morning. I go your campaign, no enmity, and ensure say you follow my words for update. Now this year goes to Naomi. Now person already wait me for somewhere, and my target is to end this work. I don't know say a key. I would have left by 5 a.m. But I'm indeed very grateful, whichever way. In fact, this alone is an achievement. We have been able to interact this morning. And it's me, your brother, I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osazo. Do not expect perfection from me. I am an imperfect human. Have a lovely day. Contact me. And have a good, beautiful, and pleasant day. But before I round up, let me tell you the basic requirements for C of O application. 1, for those in the diaspora, means of identification. For those at home, means of identification. When you say means of identification, Nigeria driver license, Nigerian voters card, national ID card, international passport, data page. The second requirement and the basic survey plan. The basic survey plan. Your land must have a survey plan which will determine the coordinates, the dimension, the size of the land. Survey plan. Thirdly, you need a utility bill. bill wey dey throw away dirty, NEPA bill wey carry the address where your family house dey for Benin or your house dey. Fourthly, the paper where you take buy the land. Fifth, falls within the area of letter of authorization. We'll give you form, we'll send and give you sign up, you bring her come back to us. Say now you authorize us to do CFO for you on your behalf. The sixth one, passport photograph. Because now your passport go there your CFO. That time it will be engraved. It could just be your picture or your follow CFO. They're not the staple and put no. So nobody. And again, when there is a CFO on land, you buy that land. You know if you apply for CFO again for that land, you can only write. I will tell you what thing you need to do to not. Now that one even be more expensive than applying for CFO on your own. That one even be more expensive than applying for CFO on your own. Then when you have all these requirements, you are done. The CFO process commences with immediate effect. So there is the point. Get in touch with us today. And on our part, we engage in geodetic survey, plain table survey, cadastral survey, perimeter survey. We'll give you your survey and we'll lodge it in respect to a well orchestrated coordinates from appropriate authority. So commission us today for your activities. Once again, it's me, your brother Osakwuno Kudi, and I say big bye for now.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.